welcome back to another tutorial. Today, I'm look
inside.
We're gonna look inside of this
robot.
I
I know. This is my old toy, so we're gonna destroy it.
Old toy. We're gonna not destroy it. We're gonna look inside.
Yeah, but not the Christmas present I have.
We're gonna destroy it. I mean, we're gonna look inside.
Yeah, we're gonna look at
So lick.
Inside for.
We need the tools for look inside.
First, we have.
Hold on.
A hammer.
We need the super
duper breaking hammer.
Come on, Johan. Open it up. Oh. Keep going.
Yes.
That's the proper tool.
That's in a good.
Keep going.
Until I break the thing.
Okay, okay, hold on. Let's look. Ooh.
Oh,
he did good job, guys. Look.
Ooh, okay.
Some wiring is already looking.
Like wires, for.
So now this is
robots?
the mechanical
thing,
right?
To make it move.
Make it move. This is for hold the batteries.
Yes.
So now keep looking inside. I'm gonna help this, guys, because this is for.
Ah!
Ooh.
That one.
Okay, so this is
dangerous. Yeah, I don't want to smash Dad's hand. So I gotta be. I'm okay. What happened?
We need the glasses.
Huh?
You already got the glasses, so don't worry about it.
Yeah.
This is the little thing you turn it on off.
Yeah.
On off.
Yeah, that's that.
Okay, so now we're gonna see the wiring inside.
Oh my
This is all the wiring, Maya. You should say hi, give me 5. Yeah, high five. Woo.
Yeah,
That's the high five. You keep one hand.
Yeah, I keep one hand. Why?
You keep the other high five, so you guys can do high five right there.
Yeah, move.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
I still like this song, but I hate the wires.
we're gonna keep the. Oh, don't worry, you can take it off. Okay, so this
I don't want to take the wire.
is this how it looks inside.
Oh my god!
This little robot.
Head.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. We're gonna get another tutorial. Please comment, like, and
subscribe to our channel.
and we're gonna make another tutorial for you guys tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
So see you guys tomorrow. Have fun. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and comment.
Yes,
Thank you very much for watching.
Bye.
Bye.